What would my life have been if I had been born a man? My name was Mileva Marić, and I studied physics beside Albert Einstein.
I was born in Serbia in 1875. I loved mathematics, even when the world thought women shouldn't.
At university, I met a young physics student named Albert Einstein. We studied together.
Dreamed together.
While he chased new theories, I stayed home raising our children. And little by little, my own dreams disappeared. The world began to celebrate his genius, while my own name slowly disappeared.
When we divorced, he promised me the money from his future Nobel Prize. And years later, he kept that promise.
History remembered his name, but mine slowly faded away.